What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error code 0x80072ee7. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this, and this is mainly pertaining to the Windows Store where this error occurs. So the first thing you want to do to fix this is go to your search bar and type in Services. In here, we're going to look for where it says Windows Update. So we're going to go to the bottom. So right here, right-click into this, go to Properties. So we're going to do a few things here. First, this should be on automatic. If it's not, change it to automatic. Second, this should be started. If it's not started, press start. And if it is started, you can stop it or repair it and start it again, or restart it, I should say, and then go again. Basically, once you do that, try to see then if this error goes away. But if not, we're going to move on to the next step, which is go to your search bar again. And now we're going to write Store, basically the Windows Store, Microsoft Store, I should say. Right-click into this, go into App Settings until you see this page pop up, and we're going to now press reset, which is going to make sure like everything's good to go. It's going to like kind of like in a sense restart it in a sense, right? You could do repair as well, so I would always recommend start with repair and then try with reset and then go from there. This might delete every stuff in there, but it's the Microsoft Store. There's not much there to delete for it to like. There's no information in there technically. Maybe some cache here and there, but doing these two things should fix that error, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and Multi-Tutorials out. Peace.